What's up, guys? I'm here with Andrew, who's making a guest appearance and doesn't know that he's making a guest appearance. But we want to talk to you guys real quickly about some of the nightmares that can come out of rental property investing. So this house right here, with the lovely stuff in the front, is one that my buddy John and I own. And you can see how trashed the shop is, and they just kind of left stuff everywhere. And the super long story short with this house is we inherited this tenant. The city came after us for like two pages worth of code violations worth of just crap piled up everywhere. They were a hoarder, and we couldn't do anything about it because it was the tenant stuff, and we couldn't evict him. But then he stopped paying his rent, so we could evict him, and it went back and forth with the city and the tenant and this, that, the other. Finally evicted him, and we ended up having to file an insurance claim on this house. So you're gonna love this as we dig in here to see all the damage. I've never seen this before. My property manager had never seen this before. So this is all new. Look at this, you guys. Oh, yep. Look at me trying to figure out how a lock works. This is gonna be exciting. So like, basically what the tenant did, and you'll see this throughout the whole house, is he ripped the wiring out and then left all of his belongings. Andrew's first reaction? Gosh. Hey! Like there's, oh, they didn't even sell the copper wiring? Oh, they pulled the wiring out of the case. They did so, yeah. So like literally, they went and just ripped the wiring out of the fucking house. I don't know how this dude thinks this is gonna be $17,000 to fix. Water still dripping back here. Holy crap! Yeah, that's not plumbing. That's just a roof. This is gonna be fun to fix, guys. Oh, he's got a, look at that, look at that. He's got a sign that says, "Invest in yourself," that they left behind for us. Oh, they ripped the ceiling fan off. This is gonna fucking destroy the whole damn house. Floor shot. The cabinets look good, nice. Yeah, so insurance already quoted it, so they're sending us a check. I don't think the check's going to cover it, but it's going to work on part of it, I guess. So I just wanted to showcase with you guys. So this is the importance having cash reserves and insurance. So my partner and I have $25,000 in the bank account for these properties. And we also have insurance that's going to come in and pay 17 grand for the updates on this. So it's going to take me a decent amount to get all the crap out of this house. Now I've got snow melting on the damn roof over here. Ooh, you want a Lenovo tablet? Might be the most valuable thing in the house. Gerbil food and gerbil hair. Oh, dead gerbil. It's fucking still in there. This is like that. Remember that house you tried to sell me that had a dead cat? It's still fucking there. These guys, like, how do people fucking live like this? But then they rip the fucking wiring out of the house. I mean, like, it's just like, this is real estate investing at its finest, guys. This is what you deal with. So, enjoy.